to the FOREO Call. Here we share your skincare tips and tricks. So subscribe and let us know in the comments what your skincare routine looks like, because you might be our next call. Eva, have you ever had any kind of skin concerns?
When I was younger, I had oily skin. It was most combined skin, but several spots in the cheek area, something like that. But now, when I'm growing up, I have more dry skin. I still have a bit of shining places, but my skin changed like everything in life, I think so. So now I have more dry.
Mm-hmm. And have that spots and acne you had, did they affect your self-esteem when you were younger?
Actually, it doesn't. It didn't, because I think that in that time we didn't have social media. For example, now teenagers have filters and perfect people on the social media. So now I think it's more difficult for them because they are totally comparing every time, every day. But in that moment, I was like a normal girl, normal teenager with several spots like all my friends.
Yeah, it's much tougher now with all girls with a perfect skin. When we were younger, it was like a realistic thing to have spots and acne.
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask you, what makes you feel good in your skin?
I really love to moisturize. I think that this kind of things change with the years, because in the past I had the bad idea that moisturizing my skin was like bad because I'm going to have like more oil. But now I understood that it's so important, and you need to moisturize, and moisturize, and that is perfect.
What boosts your confidence the most?
Well, even if I don't wear makeup, I mean like foundation or makeup on my eyes, red lips are for me like a must. I can be totally naked face, but with lips, I love that.
Do you have any words of advice for the people who struggle with some skin concerns? How should they make them feel better?
About my skincare, or what I used to use in the past, for me was a life-changing double cleaning.
Mm-hmm.
It's really important for me, because you don't realize how important is cleaning for your face. No, it doesn't matter if you wear makeup or foundation. You have to clean your skin every day, and maybe with the double cleaning, it's even better because you are doing like twice. Mm-hmm. So, and for me, it was really useful. Oils for my face, like jojoba oil for oily skin. When I used to have have oily skin, and now I use rosehip oil. It's also perfect.
And which products do you use the most for your skincare routine?
Well, I use a lot of things, but I think I couldn't live without moisturizer and cleaning and sun cream. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sun cream is something that I didn't use in the past, and now I see how stupid I was. Mm-hmm. Because sun is really dangerous for our skin.
And do you use some devices to help you maintain your skin condition, or you use only products?
No, I use also devices, like I have FOREO for years, and the cleaning Luna, the cleaning brush, or we can say that Luna 3 is like, I use that like the second step on my routine, because I start with a balm for cleaning my skin and take off all the makeup. But after that, with a water-based product, I use my Luna, and it's like it can be more deeply cleaning. It's like totally amazing. and it's so soft. I love that.
Do you recommend your skincare routines to other people or do you keep it for yourself?
I recommend that to a lot of people. I say, oh, you have to use that, and some friend ask me, oh, what I should use, and okay, I have to say that, for example, my sister and two friends bought FOREO Go
Mm-hmm.
because they didn't know exactly if they are going to love FOREO or something like that. And I said, you have to try even the Go because you are going to realize that. And I recommend every kind of products. I think we have
Great.
to share that kind of things because maybe I did several mistakes in the past, and it could be really nice for me to find or to find someone that tell me you are doing that wrong, or you have to wear sun cream, or you have to clean more deeply your face.
How does your skincare routine look like?
Well, I'm a bit obsessed. I think I got a bit problem that I was living in South Korea for a year. I was studying there. So I think that it was the beginning of the end because I started to have like this 10-step routine. So in the morning, I try to simplify. I use cleaning. I use every morning my FOREO for cleaning, and not with balm because it's too heavy for the mornings, in my opinion. And then I use my moisturizer and sun cream. But
Mm-hmm.
in the night, I use more products. I use double cleaning and toner. After that, I use serums, and I even try to combine different kind of serums to see what happened, and it's really good. And also eye cream and also like moisturizing.
So you like to try different things to find the one that's perfect for you.
Yeah, yeah, I totally like that. And also face mask.
Mm-hmm.
And like even once per week is like a moment for yourself. You use your mask and it's just perfect. I also have, because I'm a freak, totally. I have a UFO and I love the warm feeling on my face.
Mm-hmm.
It's well, because there are different masks, and one is with for warm feelings, and another is for cold. I prefer the warm feeling, but it's also perfect for twice per week or something like that.
Which mask is your favorite?
I rose Bulgarian rose,
Uh, because you
Bulgarian
have
rose.
because you have roses on your dress.
Oh yeah, yeah, can be, can be. I also love this young. I don't know. It's something like young. It's like purple or
Matte
lilac
Maniac.
packaging.
Matte Maniac.
No, it's young or young or
Youth junkie. Youth
youth.
junkie.
Yeah,
Yeah.
junkie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I forget that, but I remember this like lilac or
Yeah, yeah.
and this is perfect, and it's better in winter because it's really, really good for my skin.
Yeah, it nourishes skin really deeply. Um,
Yeah, yeah, totally.
how much time do you spend on your skincare routine?
Well, in the mornings it's less than 5 minutes. It's something fast, and in the night maybe 10 or something because I use it like every day. I do it every day, so it's a routine, so you get used to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Recently, I discovered washa massage, and these kind of things, and I try to do twice per week, the same that the mask, because you need more time to do that kind of self care.
What does make you stick to your skincare routine? Why do you do it every day?
I feel better when I do my skincare routine. It's a moment for myself, and
Mm-hmm.
it's not also that, okay, my skin really get used to that. So if I don't do that, my skin is like, what are you doing? What you don't do that today? I need that plus of moisturizing, or I need that. So maybe when I travel, even when I travel, I try to take several things with me that are a must and important, because it's a moment to relax, a moment to disconnect, and to take care of my skin for now and for the future too.
You said that you were in South Korea.
Yes,
And do you think they do better skincare routine than people, I don't know, in Europe or USA?
totally.
Totally.
I think, yeah, I think they started learning that in the, I don't know, in the elementary school. They know that it's like something that they have really deeply, really deeply. They know that the skin is really important.
Do you have some tips you would like to share with the people how to take care of their skin?
For me, I think that they don't have to forget the skin of the face, of course, on the body too, but it's so important. I think we live really fast and we have to stop once per day and say, okay, I'm going to take care of my skin, cleaning, sun cream, a must, because you are preventing not just it's not just about getting all or not, because everybody is going to get all. It's more about a lot of problems that can use this kind of not deep cleaning. Maybe can be worse for a spot or something like that, or sun cream can have issues in the future. So
Thank you. It's a great
thank
tip.
you.
So, Eva, we came to the end of our call, of our conversation. Thank you so much for sharing all information and tips. And I hope that we'll talk soon.
Thank you so much. I love to be part of this. This was really, really amazing.